choo choo choo. Are you sure it's over here, Mommy?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh, wow! It's so pretty!
Yeah, and look at all this white snow on the ground.
Yeah, so cool, and all the trees, so cool.
Oh, this New Year party is gonna be so great, girls.
Yay!
Can't wait.
Yeah, me neither.
And is that a train?
We're gonna be riding on it. Yay! I can't believe it.
Yeah, and I think I see
Woo!
Chelsea and Stacy on it.
Yeah, let's go say hi. Elsa's coming. Whoa!
Hi, Elsa.
Hi, guys. That's so cool. We want to try.
Okay, wait for us to come around.
Okay, they're going around the trees. Whoa, that looks like so much fun.
All right, we're coming close to the station.
Woo, you're coming. And now the stop sign says stop. So
All right,
stop right
let's
there.
stop right here.
Yay, now we want to try.
Hi, Barbie. Nice to see you again. Oh, you look so gorgeous. Thank you. Your dress is so sparkly with snowflakes and such a nice red color for the new year. Thank you. And I'm glad you're wearing the dress I got you for Christmas. Yeah, I love it. It's so blue and sparkly. And Anna's wearing hers too. Oh, yeah. Yes, thank you for these clothes. I love them, Barbie, and they fit me so well. So I decided to wear them here. Wow, you look amazing in that shirt, Skipper. And I'm glad you're wearing it because we got you it for Christmas. Yeah, I like it too. So sparkly. I had to wear it today for New Year's.
Mommy, watch us. Look, Mommy.
Okay, we're watching.
Whoa!
Having fun, girls?
Yeah, woo! Now we're going around and around.
And now you
we're
get to
turning
see.
back.
Now you get to see all the decorations, girls.
Yeah, woo! So cool!
I know, right?
Love this train! Best thing ever! Woo! Yeah!
And it's so colorful. Ready for New Year.
Yeah! Woo! New Year! We love the New Year! New Year is coming! Yep, that's right! Woohoo! New Year! Woohoo! Woohoo! Wow, Mommy, look at us! So much fun!
Having
New Year's
fun,
coming.
girls?
Yeah!
There's more fun planned after this, Barbie said.
Best New Year ever! Woo! Woo! So much fun! Woo!
And we're turning.
Let's listen to the sounds it makes! Woo! All around! Woo! Woo! Around and around! I'm okay.
Let's stand up.
Okay. Yeah.
We need to get back, right?
Yeah, we need to.
Okay, let's go this way.
Yeah, okay.
I heard something. What happened over there? Yeah, is everything all right?
The train's not far
Yeah,
far away so we can catch up to it.
Let's
Come
go.
on. Come on, let's go.
Are we sure we should go here?
Yup, I'm really sure.
Are you sure Mommy's there?
Yeah. The train is coming! Oh, no,
Gotcha, girls! Were you scared, girls? Are you okay, girls?
Yes. We were really scared.
Yeah, I know that must have been scary, but I got you in time.
Yeah, phew.
Thank you for saving them, Barbie. I really appreciate it. And Elsa, you? Why did you go on the railway? You know you're not allowed to go there. Don't ever go on the railway. It's really, really dangerous.
Well, I didn't know what to do because I was so scared, but I am a big and I didn't know what else to do, and now I'm very scared, Mommy.
I understand that you are very scared, but never ever walk or run on the railway. It's very dangerous. That's where trains go, okay?
Oh, okay, Mommy. I promise that I will never ever do it again.
Yeah, I can see you learned your lesson. Did you see that? Barbie saved them.
Really?
Yeah, and I'm glad the train stopped too. Yeah, we better go see them.
Yeah, let's go, let's go.
Yeah, this way.
You're okay, guys. Yay!
Yeah, Chelsea, Elsa, I'm glad you're okay.
Woohoo!
Yeah, we're all right. Thanks to Barbie because she saved us. We were so scared. But now let's do something fun. I don't want to think about it anymore. Girls, speaking of doing something fun, the train is about to bring something fun for us to do. You'll see. It's a surprise.
What surprise, Skipper? What surprise? I know what it is. It's a gingerbread train. What do you mean the whole train is made out of gingerbread? What?
No, you silly. The train that we were riding on is bringing a train made of gingerbread, and we're gonna build it. There it is, girls.
Woohoo! It's coming with all the treats so we can decorate it. Woohoo!
Yep.
Yay! Yummy!
And it's stopped.
Woohoo! And now we're all ready to build it and decorate it.
Yeah, there are all the parts for the gingerbread train.
Yeah, and after we're finished, it's gonna taste delicious. I'm gonna climb up there and take those gummies. Hop! Ooh, gummies, so delicious. And I'll take the green icing.
All right, and here's the gingerbread. Got it, Barbie, thanks. All right, here comes the icing. Spread it here, spread it there. Put this one in, and this part too.
Here, now this part is finished.
Yep. Swirl on the icing. All right, and let's put it on.
I'll put the wheels, Barbie. Stick it over there. And now the last one. Squish and stick.
It's starting to look very great. But it looks kind of plain. We need to decorate it.
And you can't forget about the wheels. And I put the last one right over there. Alright, and now I'm gonna decorate the trees. Put some green icing. Now put some more around. Whoop, put some little strips. Now the next one. 1, 2, 3. And now the top row. Put some across there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
One Christmas tree is looking great, and now I just have to do this other one. So start putting them on. One right there. Let's get some blue ones now. These trees will look great with snowflakes. I just love doing crafts, especially when you can eat them after. Spill the beads. Come on, beads. I think that's enough. Orange one. Perfect. How about a purple one? Right there. Red jelly. Purple jelly. Get some more. Candies are done here. Green icing over here. Last candy here. And ooh, the train is looking so cool.
Yeah, and I really want to eat it. It looks so delicious. delicious.
Yeah, the candies make it so colorful. And look, the Christmas trees look so cute in the back.
Yeah, and I also added some snow on the bottom. You like it, guys?
The gingerbread train.
Coming through. Choo choo, choo choo choo.
Hey girls, let's explore around here. It looks pretty fun.
Yeah.
And look, there's a nice shiny green path.
Ooh,
Look at this deer. It's so sparkly. I want to go on it. Go on it, Elsa.
Okay, I want to go on its head.
Be careful.
Whoa, whoa, be careful not to fall. I'm gonna jump in the poofs. 3, 2, 1. Woo! That was fun, and it was a soft landing also.
Wow, that was cool, Elsa. Wait, but where did Anya go?
Chelsea, look. Anya's right on top of the big gift. I'm gonna jump off. Jump and jump. Woo! Wee! Wee! I'm gonna throw some at you.
It's snowing.
Hey, stop! Snowing. Whoa, that was fun.
Girls, we better go back
Yay.
because we have to start the countdown and dance.
Oh yeah, we better go back.
All right, it's time to dance. There are 5 minutes left till the new year.
Yay!
Let's start dancing.
Ooh, and let's catch the lights. I can't catch you. I got you.
There's so many lights.
Woo,
Like the
so
lights you
much
put,
fun.
Barbie. They're so cool. Thanks.
Woo!
Having fun in this wonderland?
Yeah, it's so cool here, Barbie.
Hey guys, want to watch my moves?
Yeah, Skipper.
Splits.
Cool, Skipper.
Hey everybody, watch my pirouette. I'm spinning, whee! And I'm
so
doing this on
graceful.
heels.
Ooh, that's so cool, Barbie. Watch our cool moves, Barbie. We can spin like this. Woo! This is so much fun.
Cool, that's very cool. You're so funny.
Whoa, this is so much fun. Woohoo! Whoa, look at all these lights. And they kind of look like fireflies, right? Yeah, they do, but they look like butterflies to me. Yeah, right, but they're just lights. Woohoo! Now let's have fun with them. Woo! I want to catch them. Catch them. Woo! I got this one. I'm going to catch the red one. Now green, blue, just so many colors, right? Our turn to dance.
Yep. Best New Year's party ever.
Yay! And I'm going to lift you up, Chelsea. Whee! So much fun. I love this
And
party.
these lights just make it feel so cool, yeah.
Yeah.
And slide
Love the
over
lights.
here. And slide over here. Whoa, how can you do that? I just keep practicing. Let me try. I did it. Whee!
So much fun. Best New Year ever.
It's time to count down. It's almost there.
Okay.
Look. Oh no.
Oh, let's count down.
10 seconds left. 10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
I'm so scared.
Happy New Year! Yay! I can't believe it's the Happy New Year! Yay! Visit our channel and subscribe for more videos.